Lesson we're going to be covering off cooking in the field and sorting yourself out a brew. But firstly, we're going to look at the BCB Dragon stove. This is it. It will typically come inside your 24-hour ration pack, or you can obtain these off the internet for just a couple of quid. Right, as you can see, the stove opens up like so. Open it up further, you'll notice it has 3 compartments. In your ration pack you'll get these. These are the gel blocks. These are the Fire Dragon solid fuel gels. You'll notice that 3 of them conveniently sit inside there. Additionally, if you've got your windbreak, you can place that on your top and it keeps it nice, compact and contained. Equally, after you use them, you can keep these containers to achieve the same thing, because what you don't want to happen is have it like this and you're stalking your enemy or on patrol and you've got that sort of scenario, plus it falls out the side. If you don't use these blocks to retain it, although it's not in the training manual, the technique I use, take this, put it on the raised edge slightly like that, lift this up slightly and put it underneath like that. Okay, so these are on top and the middle section is underneath, and that retains it quite well. Right, taking the stove itself, we can open it up. And this is your windbreak. It's got out marked on it, so you can quickly see it goes on the outside, fits on like this. Then close down your burner, the sides of your stove, and there you have it. Obviously, if you can, position this in the direction of wind to minimise the risk of flame being blown out the side and not getting the heating you require. Right, we're now in the field. We've got our BCB stove. 2 mess tins, one bigger than the other. Which one goes on the bottom? The small one. Why? Because you can put the other one on the top. Ration pack. What have we got here? A delightful tomato pasta salad. You need to move all the contents at the bottom. This can be a little tricky sometimes, a bit like trying to squeeze out the last of a toothpaste tube. So what do? See the 2 little tear marks there? Take them, just get it down from the first bit by coming across with your thumb and forefinger. Take this, roll it back, make sure you've got a grip, do this. That will send everything to the bottom of the pack. Get a good grip on it and give it a good fit. Most of that now, and then a little bit left like that. And roll it over. So you've got the bit poking out the top that you can wank it out with. Okay. Do this before you're obviously lighting things up, because you don't want to waste your burner. Secondly, you don't want to have too much water in it. Why boil water unnecessarily? What do you want to do with the water after you've warmed your food? Is probably have a brew. So, best thing to do to gauge how much you want. There's a cupful. You have to allow for a bit of evaporation. But place your meal in the tin first. Then put your water in. Okay. Don't put your water in first, then put your meal in, because you'll notice you probably put too much in, and the water will fly over the side. Allow a bit more for some evaporation. But the more water you have in it, the longer it's going to take to boil. Okay, so this allows a bit for evaporation. There we go. All good. Second thing, location of your stove. Make sure you haven't got any combustible materials close by it. You don't want to start a forest fire. So take your burner, open it up, your stove. In your ration pack you'll have your magic matches and some strike and your fire dragon gel block. You need to pop into the burner, you peel the top off, putting all your waste to one side, which you'll collect up later and take with you. Why? Because we don't want to leave any trace of our presence for an enemy patrol, and also it's good country code procedure. These also right. Put your windbreak on, fold it up, take your magic match and some strike, make sure it's nicely settled with it. Strike it away from you, just light very easily, as you can see, at arm's length. Put it onto the gel block, and the gel block, as you can see, lights very easily. Don't waste the flame, so let's pop him on right away. Okay. Now, with the larger the tins, place that on top, but put some water in it that will warm up. It won't boil, it will warm up. And you can use your other, fill your other mess tin up, place that on the top. It will help the other one boil, plus it's provided with some warm water for washing your utensils, your spork, whatever, afterwards. Okay. 5 minutes that block's been going, just over. So we'll give it another bit of time. To best use the whole block up. You can't easily put them out anyway, and there's a fire risk. So let the whole thing burn out. Right, well that's over nearly 7 minutes that block's been burning. See how the old bruise go. As you can see, that's bubbling away nicely. That'll be a nice warm meal, not too long from now. Right, take the top one off. Got some nice warm water for doing cleaning. Take this off the burner. It's just gone out. That's a good 10 minutes out of that block. Pick up your meal, shaking off the excess water. Rip off the top and get stuck in. Doesn't that look lovely? And it is very, very warm, very pleasing meal there. Your water, put back down, pour that in. Bit of a glass, don't matter, it's just extra vitamins. In with your tea bag or coffee, sugar, whitener. Cheers.